In this video, we're going to cover why AI-powered chatbots are essential for customer engagement and lead generation, how Act Chatbot automates and enhances the entire process, and of course, a live demo so you can see it in action. People expect instant responses when they visit your website. If they have a question, every second they wait increases the chances they leave without taking action. But AI-powered chatbots eliminate that friction, ensuring customers get the answers that they need instantly, and you don't have a dead website. 79% of businesses report that AI chatbots improve customer service. Businesses using chatbots see a 67% increase in lead conversions. AI-powered chat engagement is 2 times more effective than traditional live chat. Let's say you run a real estate business and a visitor lands on your website looking for a property. You have two scenarios. The first one is they click on the contact us, send a message, and wait hours or even days for a response. The second scenario, Act Chatbot immediately greets them, asks what type of home they're looking for, collects their contact info, and even follows up later if they don't complete the conversation. Which one do you think gets more leads and sales? Definitely scenario two. Instant engagement keeps people on your site longer and leads to higher conversion rates. All right, I am inside the Quantum AI suite and I have opened the Act chatbot. I went over here and I added a chatbot. I named it Billy Bob. This here is just the status of these chatbots. Mine is open. I'm going to go first to the AI settings. All right, I'm inside the AI settings and I'm going to go here and actually enable the AI interaction. And then I can type in my instructions and basically telling the bot who it is, what it is. You can put anything in here you want. A lot of people will use ChatGPT or something like that to actually prompt it in its exact instructions as to what it is, who it is, as well as the knowledge base. And we will actually select this knowledge base, but I will show you what I'm actually selecting. Um, if I go and hit cancel, we're going to come back to the Act chatbot. But first, I want you to understand where the knowledge base came from. So the knowledge base is the app right here next to the Act chatbot. It's called the Knowledge Brain. This is a way that you can go in similar to the file vault and you can put documents, files, PDFs, whatever you want into a knowledge base. So I actually already have one created, but if I didn't, I could go here and just click here, knowledge base, and create a different one. But let's go in here and just take a look. There's 7 total documents. I created this back in August. And I can have different files and upload those. I can have different URLs that I want the chatbot to know and read and analyze and answer questions from. I can manually put in documents and then AI created documents as well. But most people stick with files, URL, and manual documents. So once I have that, that will show up in the knowledge base. Again, I'll go back and you'll see this right here. I just named it knowledge base. I should have named it something different so I didn't get confused. So I'm going to go back to the chatbot and continue building out our chatbot, Billy Bob. All right, I'm going to go to the chatbot settings now. The name, the initial open, choose whether the chatbot should be open by default. I want it to open automatically. I don't want somebody to only ask questions to the bot. I want it to open automatically. A lot of times that typically triggers people's attention. And then auto start conversation. Chatbot will automatically greet visitors when enabled. I want that. And then let's say I want to change this and I just want to say, not exactly proper. What's up? How can I help? All right, name and email collection. Configure when request visitors contact. When to request visitors contact information. So is it only when they're connected to a human agent? Do you want it at the beginning of the conversation, after specific number of messages? I want it at the beginning of the conversation. I already put my icon in there. I have a caller and I'm going to hit save. So now I've loaded the knowledge base. My chatbot knows exactly what it should or shouldn't say. I've got the settings correct. I've got the logo. Everything is good to go. Now it's time for the testing. So you would go here, you would go to code snippet, and you would actually copy this to your clipboard, and you would copy and paste that directly into your website header or body, and then you'd want to try it out, ask it some questions, make sure that it's good. Again, remember the knowledge base is what it knows. So that's where you want to fill it with the documents and URLs and files of things that will be able to answer questions to anybody that's coming to your website.